everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Giselle, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you everything that I made in 2022. I'm gonna be including things that I've crocheted, a couple of things that I've sewn. But yeah, we have a lot of things to go through. Hopefully this gives you inspiration of projects that you want to do in 2023. So this year, hats have been like my favorite thing to make. I've been in my crazy funky junky hat era. So we're gonna first go through the hats, and then I'll show you some like other accessories that I made, and then we'll go into like the tops. So the first thing that I made in 2022, literally I think I finished it on January 1st, is this little Hello Kitty kitty cat beanie. Sticking to the Sanrio theme, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys these other two hats that I made. So we'll first do the My Melody hat. I love this hat so much. I love the freaking ears, and we did just a cute little flower bow for her. I started this hat first, and then I was like, you know what? We gotta do a cinema roll one, you know? So it's only right. This is what it looks like on. The face is a little, I did my best, but I love how big and floopy the ears are. They're so squishy too. So cute. But definitely this year I want to make a Kuromi one. I think it'd be so cute, and then like actually make the ears stand up too. Yeah, that's on my list of projects for 2023. I also made a cinema roll pillow. And then I made a gigantic, ouch, My Melody pillow too. She's kind of wonky, but she's so comfy and cute, and I love them. Kind of in the same Sanrio genre. The next hat that I have here is one of my favorite hats that I've ever made, honestly, truly. This is my Sandy from Tokidoki hat. I had a little like button or pin with Sandy on it. Whenever I dyed my hair pink, I was like, oh my god, this would be perfect. I want to look just like her. All right, so we got 4 hats down. We got a bunch more to go. The first bunny beanie that I made. You can tie it underneath your neck and it looks so cute like that, or you can tie it behind your head. I know I have a tutorial up showing you how I made these like bunny headbands, but my next crochet tutorial is going to show you how I actually made like these beanies, and you can just like add the ears on if you want. So that's going to be probably the next video after this. All right, we're just going to keep going through them. The next one here is this little devil beanie. We got the little devil horns with the same red beanie base. This one is kind of a different fit from the other ones. This one is like a slouchy type of beanie here, and it has like cute little fox ears, stickier hair into the poof of the beanie. I definitely want to make a whole bunch more of these in like different colors. For this next hat, I first need to introduce you to my best buddy. This is Moosey, and I love taking my Moosey backpack with me everywhere. And so one day I was like, you know what, I want to be a moose too. Here is a moose hat that I made. This one definitely took a really long time. I tried like incorporating wires, and now Moosey doesn't feel so left out. For my next hat, I have this little beanie that has these 2 holes right here, so that way when I'm wearing my hair in like space buns or pigtails, I can just stick them right through easily. When I made that one, I was like, okay, imagine there was like flowers coming out of the hat. So that's exactly what I did. Here is my flower hat. I think there's like up to 60 something flowers on this. Here's what it looks like. Oh my god, but this next one. Okay, so I was inspired by accidentally walking into a spider web while I was walking my dog Luna. So I made this spider web hat, and then I added like all of these beads to it, and there's like beads kind of dripping down too. It is so glamorous, and this is kind of just like how it lays down. Isn't that gorgeous? It's very much giving like Gatsby. This one took a really long time like beading every individual bead on here, but I absolutely love it. We'll get through these last ones quickly because they're all pretty much the same. If it was too warm to wear a beanie, I just wanted it to be a headband. So we have this blue one, we have a black one, a white one here too. They're just so cute. I don't know, I just love adding these to outfits because I feel like a freaking cartoon character, and that's the vibe that I'm going for all 2023. So those were the headbands, and then we have more of the bunny beanies. So here's the black one that I made, and this one kind of has like that fold up here. I have my super cool logo stitch onto it too. This one is my personal one, but these ones I've made to also go onto my website, so these ones are for you. We have this dark blue and light blue striped one. Oh my god, this one is so fun. This one is going to be in white. We have a green one with kind of like a little checkered pattern going through that too. This pink and red striped one, and it actually goes perfect for my hair, so if nobody wants to buy this one, I might just keep it, or I'll just make another one for myself. This is one of the recent ones that I just finished, the black and red one. Oh my god, I haven't tried this one on, and it looks so cute. So I'm gonna be making a bunch more in different colors and patterns and stuff, and those are gonna be going up on my website. Hey, if you want to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I'll be putting updates there and letting you guys know when all of this stuff will be available for you. Well, not all of this stuff, but like those beadies. Another thing that I've been really loving making this year has been these hoods, and you're gonna see a few more in a second. But this one here, I'm gonna put this one on for you because this one's detached. But they kind of just look like this. They very much remind me of like Jedi hoods, but they're just super fun, super cute accessories to add to your outfits. This one has like a nice green to blue ombre effect. I think this one will also be going up on my website too, so if you want it, it's yours. Obviously, I've crocheted a lot of hats, but this is the first hat that I've sewn myself, and it's just like this black furry little hat here. I made it to go with a cardigan that I thrift flipped. It came out good. It's a little wonky, but like, you know, just don't look too close. That was a lot. I think we've gotten through most of the hats. So since we left off on something that I've sewn, I'm gonna show you a couple of other things that I've sewn up. And these are bags. I made this patchwork denim bag out of old pants that I was either gonna donate or try to sell, but I was like, you know what, let me make a really cute bag out of it. And we got the pocket right here. We got the inside. I didn't line it though, so. Here is my black denim messenger bag. You can throw it over your shoulder. And then right here, I added like this little belt loop so that way I can hold like keychains or my keys right here. This is one of my favorite pieces ever, and it's falling apart because I worn it so much this year. Another little patchwork item from like previous thrift flips that I was doing. I didn't want to throw away the fabric because I thought they were pretty cool prints. You can either wear it over your shoulder, got the long strap here, or you got the short straps if you want to wear it like this. The last purse that I made is this small little crossbody. You can unbutton it. We've got a pocket right here. We got it lined with some more scrap fabric. We got another pocket inside too. I think that's everything that I've sewn. So we're gonna switch gears, go back to the crochet. I made this little mushroom bag so that way I could like hold my headphones in it. Where are my headphones? Oh, and also I bedazzled my headphones in. We just pulled down the thing, and then yeah, I got a cute little mushroom headphone case. And the last bag that I crocheted, I attempted to make this like cherry bag. So we got the cherry stem with the little leaf at the end, wear it like that, and you can open it and like put things inside. I didn't use a pattern for this, so kind of happy with how it came out. But yeah, a little cherry bag. Oh, I lied. I'm gonna show you a few more things that I've sewn together. These are like little arm gloves. This one actually ripped on me, so I'm gonna have to fix it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I have this other one that's just black and white striped, and then I added this cool lace detail. We have a crochet one that I put together. I use this like really cool sparkly lace to go with it, so it kind of shines in the light here. And I also added like this furry yarn detail around like the fingers. Oh my gosh, this with like this hat. Oh yes! And I also have this red striped one with the black lace around the fingers. I have the other one, but I don't know where it is at the moment. One thing I really wanted to try this year was like those grid things. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's this. I don't really know what to make of it. I was thinking maybe like make it into a bag or try to like make it into a top somehow, but I really like how it came out. It's not too bad. Or I can just like hang this up on my wall. It's a little cute wall hanger too. Another accessory that I made was this chunky scarf. Hold on one second. I found this yarn on sale at Joann's and I was like, you know what? I love the color. Like, it looks really cool in the sunlight too. It kind of shifts from like blue to purple. I made a couple of crochet chokers. So I had this like peace sign. This used to be like a bracelet, but I think it broke, came off or something, and I kept it. So I just crocheted a little choker to display it perfectly. Here is another choker with this really cool heart. There we go. How lovely. We have this little dainty one with the beads, and we have like a cool little spider on this front one here. And so that's what this one looks like. And this one we have some like different pearl beads, and then I added a little crystal right here. And I thought it was just kind of cool looking. So I think that is it for like the accessories. Now we're gonna go into I'm so excited to show you guys. We're gonna get into now the tops that I've made this year. I've made some really freaking cute tops. So the first top that I made in 2022 is this beautiful cropped mesh top. Like one brown sleeve, one blue sleeve. You can flip this over and wear it the other way. Oh my goodness. Let me show you what it looks like reversed. This is what the other side looks like. Ah, it's so cute. I made this black one here, and it has like kind of brownish orange details. Another super cute one. I love how this looks. I don't wear this enough. What is wrong with me? Oh my god. This next top that I made is a granny square crop top. And this one, oh my god, it took me so long to make, but it was so worth it. I love it. I love it. Don't mind Moosey, he's just hanging out here with us. I almost frogged this entire project to use the yarn for something else because before I didn't have the sleeves, and so it was kind of just like fitting weird. So I added these mesh sleeves and I really love how it came out. Next I have this little tube top, and then I had made like a separate sleeve to just kind of like wear it with. I was actually gonna do a whole other sleeve and like actually attach them and make them a whole top together, but I was kind of lazy and I was just like, you know what, we'll just leave it with the one sleeve. It's okay, it's a vibe. Okay, this next top I'm absolutely obsessed with. Added some really cute like pearl stars, little beads here. I cannot wait to wear this more during the summertime. Kind of like the last top, but this one was made with a little bit more of a chunkier yarn. Then we have like the fishnet kind of bottom right here. This one is kind of a four-parter. It comes with a bunch of other things. I made this only to use up all of the yarn that I used to create this. This is my first ever hexagon cardigan. I made it with this really soft, like chunky yarn, and I absolutely am in love with the colors that I chose for this. Here's what the back looks like. So I made the cardigan first, and then I was like, wait, I'm gonna make another one, but a mini version for my Build-A-Bear Flippy. So me and Flippy are matching, and then I still had some leftover yarn, so that's when I made this top, and then I still had some leftover yarn, so that's when I made this hat to go with it. And we got the whole set. Ooh, dang, this is so cute. The next item that we have here is a combination of crochet and sewing. I wanted to combine my two skills to make something cool. So it is this white top. It's kind of hard to see in the camera probably. I have like this lace detail that I sewed onto it. Also put like this like cool ribbon coming down. And with this specific project, I also put together these like sleeves to go with it. Just like these cool princessy sleeves. Goes another, and I very much intend to just like wear these and mix them with cute outfits. But yeah, so that is this one. Now, these last couple of items I'm gonna be showing you are hands down my favorite things that I've made this year. So we have this little star tube top that has slits on the sides. Super cute. You could wear that by itself, but what I've did is make a cool little bolero, I think is what people call them. Basically it's just the sleeves, but it goes like this. I am so happy with how this came out. It is perfect. Okay, this next one here started something for me, and I just won't get over it. So here we go. And I also put like a fuzzy yarn detail around the shoulders and the cuffs. I made something to go with it. It's a hood that also has fur around, and it's, I did that. Anyway, okay, the next one's. Okay, I'm gonna save the best for last in my opinion. Next one here, we have a cool little blue halter top that has like this V-shaped hem at the bottom, and I made this hood attached to it, so that's how it looks like down, and you can just put it back up. You can wear it sleeveless, but of course I also made some sleeves to go with it. And just look at I feel so cool. I have no words. Like, I need to make this in like every single color of the rainbow. I absolutely am in love. Maybe I do love myself. Like, come on. It's time for the last one. I don't know if you're ready, because this one is, I'll just let it speak for itself, okay? Okay, here, first let me show you. I made this with my hands, bro. So here we have a cute cropped tie top here. It is all rainbow and colorful, and I put this fuzzy detail along the sleeves. You can definitely wear this by itself, but why would I do that? I made a matching hood to go with it. Fuzzy, yeah! Sorry, this has been sitting in my closet for a little while, and I haven't tried it on in a couple of months, and I just, okay, we could be done now, but we're not. With this whole ensemble, I also made, of course, the matching leggings. So cute. I'm trying so hard not to like flash my toes, but I love it so much. What a collection that I have created in 2022. I cannot wait to see what 2023 has in store for us. Guys, I had so much fun hanging out with you today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.